Do you already have plans in place for long-term care insurance? If you don't, now is the time to get ready. My name is Trevor Carlson. I'm the president of Heritage Reverse Mortgage. We want to help people live better in retirement. We want to help them to use the assets they have to experience life to the fullest after they go on a fixed income in retirement. Now, one of the issues that is coming up more and more from me and my clients is long-term care. Now, the issue is that a high percentage of people are going to need long-term care. Things like nursing homes or in-home care, health issues, those kind of things are getting more and more common because we're living longer as people. But the issue is that the majority of us as Americans do not have a solution in place for the expenses that arise from these medical issues. And so I had a client come to me about a year ago, and she was in a bad place because her husband had just gone into a care facility and they were struggling. She was struggling to make the payments from their savings account, and she could see that this was not going to last very long. She was quickly running out of money, and he was going to require a long-term solution. And so we looked at a reverse mortgage, and with the reverse mortgage, what we were able to do is we were able to eliminate her mortgage payment, and in that way she could invest that money in a couple of different places. Either she could use it to pay for the long-term care expenses that her husband had, or she could actually buy additional insurances to help supplement some of those things down the road. And so for her, having a reverse mortgage was an absolute lifesaver in a sinking ship. And so she was able to correct the course or correct her financial situation and get back on top of things while continuing to get her husband the care that he needed. And so if you don't have a plan for long-term care insurance, let's look at your options with the reverse mortgage. As I mentioned, a lot of my clients proactively will look at this because if they do a reverse mortgage and eliminate their monthly mortgage payment, they can redirect that money either to buy life insurances, care insurances, health insurances, and those kinds of things, or they can just save more of that money and have it in their nest egg for future uses. Likewise, if it's too late, if you're already in that situation and you're drowning in the expenses of medical surprises, then a reverse mortgage might be the solution to help you get back on top of things. And so again, reach out to me. Let's look at your situation and see how we can help you to live better. I'm at 435-359-9000, or visit us at heritagereversemortgage.com. Talk to you soon.